All right, so here's the deal. This Roblox Rant niche is straight up exploding right now. Like seriously, it's crazy how much attention these videos are getting. Creators are pulling millions of views off videos that take less than a coffee break to make, and the numbers don't lie. Just look at channels like Kitty Rant. They've got over 700,000 subscribers and more than 400 million views just from simple, funny, and relatable Roblox stories. Or check out Racket Hour, pulling in hundreds of millions of views, doing pretty much the same thing. No fancy edits, no face cam, no studio lighting, just raw Roblox gameplay rolling in the background with an AI voice ranting about stuff everyone relates to. And the best part is, it's insanely simple to do. Trust me, you can make one of these viral Roblox Rant videos using totally free AI tools right now. But hold up, it gets even better. Because after I walk you through that, I'm going to show you how to make the exact same kind of viral rant video in under 3 minutes using just one single tool called Vsub. No switching between multiple apps, no juggling files. It's literally a few clicks and boom, your full viral Roblox rant video is ready to upload. So make sure you stick around till the end, don't skip any part because you don't want to miss the shortcuts I'm about to show you. All right, let's break it down. First things first, let's start with how to make these viral Roblox Rant videos completely free using AI tools. Step 1 is finding those golden, funny, relatable topics that instantly catch attention and make people comment, just like the top creators already dominating this niche. Now, to make this part super easy for you, I've already done a ton of research. I studied the top performing Roblox Rant channels and put together a free Google Doc loaded with ready-to-use prompts, built specifically for this niche. These prompts help you come up with original, viral video ideas and write high, engaging scripts. You can grab the link to that Google Doc down in the description, so definitely check it out. And real quick, before we keep going, if you're still here, do me a small favor and tap that like button. It really helps the channel and tells YouTube to show this tutorial to more creators trying to blow up with faceless AI content. All right, now let's get back to it. Head over to that Google Doc, copy one of the topic prompts, then open your favorite AI text generator. In this case, we're using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt right in there and make a small tweak. Tell it how many ideas or titles you want, then hit enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will generate a list of viral Roblox rant ideas or clickable titles, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. And here's a quick tip. If the first batch doesn't sound right, just type regenerate or say more like this, and ChatGPT will instantly give you new options. Spend a couple minutes going through the list, pick the one that stands out to you, and we're good to go. Now that you've picked your video topic, it's time to build your script, the one that'll hook people from the first second to the very end. Go back to that Google Doc again, copy the script prompt provided there, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and before you hit enter, personalize it a bit. First, tell ChatGPT how long you want your video to be. That way it structures the pacing perfectly for your short-form content. Then, drop in the topic number you chose earlier, so it knows exactly what you're ranting about. Once that's done, hit enter, and boom, ChatGPT spits out a clean, binge-worthy Roblox rant script built to grab attention, hold retention, and perform like crazy on short-form platforms. Now let's move on to the voiceover part. For this, we're going to use ElevenLabs. Head over to the ElevenLabs website, click Sign Up, create your free account. Once inside, go to Instant Speech. That's where you'll create your voice. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the script you just made, and paste it into ElevenLabs. Before generating, make sure to clean up any extra notes or formatting you don't want, like titles or bracketed instructions. That way your narration sounds natural. Now click on Voices and browse through all the different AI voice options. Preview a few until you find one that fits the tone you want for your Roblox rant. Something that feels expressive, relatable, maybe a bit comedic. Once you find it, hit Generate, and ElevenLabs will produce your full voiceover in just a few seconds. When it's done, download that audio straight to your device. Next up, we need visuals, because what's a Roblox rant without gameplay? If you're already a gamer, the easiest thing is just record your own Roblox gameplay straight from your computer or phone. Save it, and boom, you've got your background footage. But if you don't play Roblox, no problem. You can easily find free gameplay clips online on sites like YouTube or stock platforms. Just screen record them and save them locally. Just make sure the quality is clean and smooth so your video looks professional and keeps people watching. All right, so now we've got our script, our voiceover, and our visuals. Time to put everything together inside CapCut. Open CapCut, click New Project, and import that Roblox gameplay footage. Go to Aspect Ratio and change it to 9:16. That's perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. Adjust the clip so it fits the frame perfectly, and make sure to mute the original gameplay audio because we're going to replace it with your AI narration. Next, import the voiceover you generated in ElevenLabs. Drag it onto the timeline and trim out any long pauses or empty spaces to keep the pacing tight and engaging. After that, add some background music. Pick something upbeat but not too loud, then lower the volume so it sits nicely under your narration. Want to make it pop even more? Add some visual effects. Click Effects, choose a few subtle video effects, and drag them across the timeline to match the vibe. Then go ahead and add captions. Click Text, select Auto Captions, pick a clean template, click Generate, and CapCut will automatically create captions for you. Adjust their placement, size, and color until they look right. Once everything's in place, play it through from start to finish to make sure it's smooth. If it all looks good, click Export, crank up the resolution to 4K, and download your final video.
I'm starting to realize We Need to Talk is basically the modern version of a horror movie jump scare. Like nothing good ever follows those 4 words. Nobody has ever said, "We need to talk," and then handed me a cookie.
Congrats! You just made a full Roblox Rant video using free AI tools. Now let's take it to the next level, because I'm going to show you how to make that exact same style of viral Roblox Rant video in under 3 minutes using only one tool called Vsub. And trust me, once you see this, you'll never go back to juggling apps. So go ahead and open Vsub using the link in the description, click Get Started, and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a super clean interface filled with viral niche templates, ready to go. The niche we're focusing on right now is Roblox Rant. Click that and it'll take you straight to the main creation panel where all the magic happens. First, click Settings, then click Add Voice. Here, you can link your ElevenLabs voice if you want consistency with your previous videos, or pick from the built-in Reality AI voices right inside Vsub. Take a second to preview a few, and when you find one that fits your tone, adjust the speed, pitch, or volume slightly for more personality. I recommend giving it a slight pitch boost, since higher energy voices tend to go viral. Then click Name the Voice and click Save. Now go back to the Content section and click Import Script. A little text box will pop up. Copy the Roblox Rant script we made, paste it into that box, remove any titles or notes you don't need, select your voice, and click Import. Vsub will automatically break your script into sentences so you can tweak each sentence individually if you want. You can even assign different voices to different lines for more variety. Once everything looks good, click Create Video and let it process. Within seconds, you'll have your full video generated automatically. All right, but let's make it stand out even more, because those top Roblox Rant videos usually include extra flair, like memes, sound effects, and subtle voice changers. So click Roblox under Settings, and you'll see tabs for Voice Changer, Captions, and Content. The voice changer option is perfect for single words or moments where you want extra emotion. So click on a word and test normal pitch or low pitch until you like it. That little variation keeps your audience hooked. Next, click Text and explore all the caption templates. Pick one that matches your video vibe, maybe bold or colorful. Then, under Content, you'll see your full script. This is where you can drop emojis directly onto certain words to make your captions more expressive. Want even more engagement? Throw in some sound effects like the viral Vine boom or comedic pop-ups. Just import them, align them to the right timing, and resize if needed. When you're happy, click Apply, and Vsub automatically renders all those tweaks into your final video. Finally, switch to the Video tab, upload your Roblox gameplay, choose your clip, mute the original sound, and boom, your voice, effects, captions, and memes are all synced perfectly. If you want to add background music, you can do it here, but for platforms like Shorts or TikTok, it's smarter to add trending audio directly on the platform to avoid copyright issues. And don't forget, you can upload your logo or watermark to brand your content. When you're done, click Download, and your full viral-ready Roblox Rant video is finished. And that's it. So let's check out what we just created.
I'm starting to realize We Need to Talk is basically the modern version of a horror movie jump scare. Like nothing good ever follows those 4 words. Nobody has ever said "we need to talk" and then handed me a cookie. When your boss says it, your brain immediately starts doing the math. Did I mess up that email? Did I accidentally send the meme to the whole company again? When your friend says it, you're like, okay, what did I do? Even though you've literally been asleep for 2 days.
That's exactly how creators are growing fast in this niche. So if you got value from this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI content creation guides, and drop a comment if you're ready to start building your own viral Roblox Rant channel. Trust me, if you follow these steps, you'll have your first viral video up before you know it.